Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Elaina. I know you guys are probably wondering, like, what in the world? Why are you in your PJs? Well, y'all, I forgot to I forgot to record an intro to this video that y'all about to watch. And so I'm in the bed and it's late. It's like 10:30. I have to go to work tomorrow, and I just realized that I don't have an introduction to this video. So here I am. This is real life, y'all. I'm a real person. I am not yet a full-time YouTuber. So, you know, sometimes things happen. So anyway, I want to welcome you guys to my channel. Those that are new here, if you've never seen, if you've never visited my channel before, welcome to my channel. Welcome to real life. And I hope you enjoy this video. This is, we're continuing on with my Ayurvedic journey, and I am doing a overnight hot oil treatment. Yeah, so I'm pretty much just going to show you how I do it. And while I was actually doing the hot oil treatment, you'll probably see me laughing and stuff like that. Yeah, I was watching some of my Curlfriends videos while I was doing this, because I was actually getting ready for bed in that video too. So you'll see me just kind of laughing and making faces and stuff like that. But this is just the process of me putting the hot oil. Well, it's not really hot oil. It's the oil that I made in my previous video. And as I sleep overnight, it will heat up on my hair. So that's what makes it the hot oil part of the treatment. You could heat this oil up if you wanted to. Like, you could heat up your own oil before you put it on your hair, but I didn't, because I figured, you know, I'd be sleeping on it anyway, so I might as well just put it on just straight out of the bottle and let my body heat it up overnight. And so yeah, you guys, this is just, like I said, this is just the process of me applying it to my hair, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I've rinsed it all out. So I apologize for me not really you know, having on regular clothes right now, but I gotta get this video edited for y'all so it can be up on time. So I do hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring the doorbell for me on your way out, aka the like button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hey y'all, so I'm starting off with some warm water on my strands. I had my hair in 2 braids all week, and y'all know my high porosity hair can dry out pretty quickly, just within a couple of days, especially when I don't do anything to it, and if I just kind of leave it down, you know. So I'm making sure that I get it nicely dampened before I start adding my oil in. And I'm just going to give it a good shake, because like I said, when I strained it initially, I knew some of the powders would remain in the, you know, would transfer into this bottle. So I just want to give it a good shake before I start. And then I'm just applying the oil to my scalp first, and then I'm going to apply it all over my strands on this one section here. I want to show you guys real quick how it looks in the hand. Look at that green color, y'all. It is like green gold, okay? That stuff is so good. But anyway, it felt really good going on the scalp, really nice going on my hair. I made sure I got the ends, of course, and just really saturated my hair with the oil. I think I was watching Curlfriend scenario while I was doing this particular part of my oil treatment, and that girl is a hoot. If y'all are not watching her, if y'all haven't subscribed to her, she's kind of new on the scene. She's new to the natural hair community, and she is just a riot, and I just love her to death. She's a really good supporter of mine, and I like to support others as well, so I support her too. She's really awesome, and she has good content on her channel. So if y'all haven't you know, checked her out, please go and check her out, show her some love. Like I said, she's a new girlfriend on the block, so yeah, but anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna continue to add this oil to all over to my hair, and then I'm gonna start massaging it into my scalp with my fingers just before I start using my massager, my scalp massager, which I'll show you guys in just a minute. Okay, so here's my scalp massager, and at first I thought it wasn't working. I thought I had to replace the batteries, and I was like, go figure. But then it turned on. So yeah, I'm just massaging my scalp with this. You can use your palms of your excuse me, not your palms, your fingertips, you know, the palm, what do I want to say, the pad of your fingers, there it is. The pads of your fingers, or if you have like not a battery operated tangle teaser or scalp massager, you could use that. A manual one is what I want to say. Y'all, I'm so tired. Like it's time for me to go to bed, so I apologize that I'm stumbling over my words here, but y'all know what I'm talking about. You get one of those manual scalp massagers, or you can even get like a brush or something like that, massage your scalp for a good, you know, 5-10 minutes just to get the blood flowing and all that, and getting that oil distributed all over the scalp. And then I'm just going to twist it up like you just saw, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave.
So just as a show of hands, let's see, let me know in the comments down below, have you ever done an overnight treatment like this, an overnight hot oil treatment? I think I have done this in the past, but I've not used Ayurvedic oils. Like, I've just used oils that I've had in my stash. So I guess that does account for an overnight hot oil treatment. But that's not something that I've done frequently. And I know I said last year that I wanted to incorporate them a lot more, but I feel like this year is definitely going to be my year. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below if this is part of your regimen. Do you do hot oil treatments like for an hour, 2 hours, maybe more, or even overnight? Let's talk about it in the comment section down below. Or do you plan to do them? Okay, so now that I'm all done applying the oil, I'm just gonna wrap these two twists up into like Bantu knots. I look like Pippi Longstocking for real. Look at that. One is the other way, and one is going up and one is going down. But this is what my hair looks like after. I know it doesn't look all that saturated, but trust me, my hair is saturated with that oil. So I'm just gonna cover it up with these plastic caps. I'm gonna put on my bonnet, and I'm gonna go to bed. And this is how much oil I used. It's half full now. So this is the next morning. I've shampooed my hair, washed all the oil out, and this is what it's looking like. It felt really, really soft, felt really clean. I don't know, if there's much that you can really tell. I think I'll have to do a few more treatments before you can really notice a difference in my hair. Other than it feeling really soft, I felt like this was a really good treatment and a great pre-poo as well. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.